In this video, let me show you how to fix the Facebook cannot go live. If you're trying to go live on Facebook and if you're having issues, let me show you a few ways on how to solve this issue. Now, the first thing that you can do in this situation is make sure that the camera as well as the microphone has permissions for the Facebook application. So what you need to do is just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, or you can just head over to the settings on your device and search for Facebook and search for the app permissions. Once you're inside of app permissions, make sure that the microphone as well as camera is set to allow. If this is set to deny, this is the exact issue that you're facing. What you can also try out is try switching your data. If you're currently using Wi-Fi or cellular data, you can try switching between them and try to see if you can fix the issue. If none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you'll also need to ensure is that if you have turned on the data saver mode. If the data saver mode for your Facebook application is turned on, you would not be able to go live due to the limited video bandwidth. So what you need to do is just head over to your profile, head over to the three lines on the top left, scroll down, head over to settings, scroll down again, head over to media, and right here you'd be able to see the option called data saver. If this is turned on for you, just uncheck it and you'll be able to fix this issue. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then what you can lastly try out is try to uninstall Facebook from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue will also be fixed. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. I do hope this kind of video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.